I work across a range of different media, and in particular I'm fascinated by different historical modes of production that have a particular connection with spirituality and our search for meaning. So things like paper marbling, calligraphy and ceramics, and all of these practices that help to still the mind and offer some space for contemplation and reflection. Sumanagashi is a very traditional form of paper marbling, and it dates from 12th century Japan, and it translates as floating ink, and the patterns are created by floating ink on a bath of water, and you can create a whole range of patterns that are beautifully organic and ornate. So in the course, participants will be able to learn about the materials and the history of Sumanagashi, and they'll be able to make a variety of prints using different methods like these and take them away with them at the end of the session as well. They'll learn how to dry and press the papers, and there'll be some inspiration of then how to use the prints that they've made for crafting or further projects for inspiration once they get home.